a very selfish word. I always think about myself. V is a two-letter word. It breaks relationship. Ego is a three-letter word. It breaks relationship. Love is a four-letter word. It brings happiness to everyone. Smile is a five-letter word. A smile makes you look beautiful. Rumor is a six-letter word. Always. Rumor is a six-letter word. Always believe it and never believe it. Rumor is a six-letter word and always believe it and never believe it. Success is a seven-letter word. It makes you famous all around the world. Jealousy is a eight-letter word. It spoils your life. Knowledge, a nine-letter word. It is full of wisdom. Confidence is a 10-letter word. Believe in yourself and never give up. Now I will tell you which word we should adopt in our life. I. V. Ego. Love. Smile. Rumor. Success. Jealousy. Knowledge. Confidence. Now I will tell you which word we should not adopt in our life. I. Ego. Rumor. Jealousy. I hope you enjoyed today's activity. Thank you. Have a nice day.